Okay guys, so here is experiment 1. How much solute will dissolve in a glass of solvent? Fill one of your 2 glasses with solvent. It's going to be water, okay? When you filled the first glass with water, you're going to fill the second glass, which hopefully is identical, with a solute, either salt or sugar. Try not to spill them on the table because you'll have to clear it up afterwards if you do. Now you know that when you mix these 2 together, they will make a solution. But how much solute can you get inside the solvent? Write down what your prediction is now. Once you've written down your prediction, you're going to try and find out. So take a spoon and use it to take a sample, an aliquot, of your solute and put it into your solvent. If your solute just sits at the bottom, try giving a stir so that it dissolves more quickly. Repeat until no more solute will stick inside the solvent without it overflowing. You might be surprised by how much will fit.